Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we got something a little bit different. Again, look, it's winter time out here. So we've got a little bit of a project in the small shop to do today, and I'll take you inside and I'll show you what's going on. We are going to put together a welding cart and maybe get this 140 Lincoln MIG pack set up on that today. I've got gas. We won't be doing any welding today, but we'll get this cart set up and hopefully the welder on there. So I will get the camera set up on the bench and we'll watch this thing go together in time lapse. Well, there we go. There we have it. One welding cart, and that didn't seem to go too bad. It only took about 30 minutes to assemble it. Well, it doesn't look all that bad. And next I will get the argon gas bottle on it, and I'll open up the welder and I'll get that put on. And we'll come back and show you later on what that looks like. So thanks for watching up till now. And we'll, like I said, we'll come back. We'll have the gas bottle on it, and all the accessories, and the MIG welder on it. So welcome back. Now I'll set the camera up and we'll unbox this and get it onto the cart. Camera set up here and we'll get it unboxed. We'll see what this comes with. I'm throwing the box away anyway. I always cut them up. Oh, we've got our regulator. Looks like a good quality regulator. So we've got our regulator. We've got our instruction manual. We've got our gun. Our extra tips, and the tip for the when you do gas welding. Good strong ground clamp. Our gas cable, hose, sorry. And our, that'll be our ground strap there. That'll be our ground strap. And again, it comes with inner shield wire and super arc that uses a 75% CO2 argon mix. And the welder. Get this on here. Yeah, and that fits good up there. There. So there we have it. The MiG 140 MiG pack. And I'll probably get this set up sometime soon, I'm not sure. And there's the that'd be the adapter for the large 11-pound spools. Very well made, as per the reviews I've seen on it. Our chart up here for our thicknesses, and then our wire speed and temperature setting. Yeah, looks good. And fits the cart nice. So yeah, I think I'm going to be pretty happy with this. You know, just to do small little projects on the Nova, and you know, a few other little maybe hobby thing projects. So there we have it. Again, I hope you enjoyed this little bit of a video on setting up this Mastercraft cart and the unboxing of the welder, and kind of getting it on the cart. And we'll talk to you guys later. Make sure you like, you know, share, subscribe, ding that bell if you want notifications, and we'll catch you later. Thanks for watching. Bye.